This firm is a very, very strong litigation firm, one of the best in the state. I'm here because they wanted to beef up what I call a deals and documents practice. Basically, in law, you have two areas of law. You've got litigation and you have transactions. I do transactions. I've done some litigation over the years, represent both buyers and sellers in commercial real estate transactions, represent both buyers and sellers in sales of business. I help small businesses do succession planning. Over the years, I've done an awful lot of Chapter 11 bankruptcy reorganization work representing everybody but the debtor. Most people think bankruptcy as debtors and creditors. In Chapter 11 reorganizations, you got a lot of other players. You got purchasers, you got guarantors, you got committees, you got trustees. There's a huge premium on imagination and creativity in Chapter 11 bankruptcy. And the same thing in a deals and documents practice. Most people think you want to make the slickest deal you possibly can and get everything you can. There's an awful lot of lawyers that practice law that way. A lot of the big law firms in New York City have a philosophy of win every point, in the negotiation. And that's not the way to approach it. Because if a deal has problems for one side or the other, it's a problem deal. You've got to find a way to put the deal together so that it is structured where there is lots of incentive for both parties to perform. Because if you have a situation where you don't have incentive on one party to perform, then both parties got a problem. You don't have a winner and a loser. You've got two losers, and they both got a problem that they've got to find a way to work out somehow. And that's where I think I get the most satisfaction, is to help lenders and borrowers who have a problem loan figure out a way to restructure it so it works for both parties. I like the people I worked with. I like both here in the office and my clients. A lot of people ask me, are you still practicing law, Jim? and I am, because I like what I do, and I like the people I work with. And I get satisfaction out of helping people negotiate, structure, and document deals that are successes for my client in particular, and both parties, really.